Most people assume flight booking platforms are all the same, but the surprising truth is that some can save you time and money, while others add hidden fees. Today, I'll share my experience using AlmaSafer, a flight booking platform popular in the Middle East. AlmaSafer allows you to search and book flights, hotels, and holiday packages. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. Most people get this wrong by overlooking user reviews and price comparisons. AlmaSafer often shows multiple options for the same route, helping you find the best combination of price and schedule. Booking a flight is straightforward. You enter your origin, destination, and dates, and the platform displays available options from different airlines. You won't believe what happens next. AlmaSafer often highlights cheaper alternatives or flexible date options, saving both money and hassle. Customer service is accessible via chat or email, and they offer refund options for certain bookings. The surprising truth is that while some platforms hide fees at checkout, AlmaSafer is transparent about total costs upfront. Some minor downsides include limited loyalty program integration and occasional discrepancies in flight times. But for most travelers, it's fast, reliable, and cost-effective. If you're looking for a smooth booking experience with transparency and flexibility, AlmaSafer is worth checking out. Subscribe for more honest travel platform reviews before you book your next trip.